Hey, hey everyone, I'm back, I think. I don't know yet, but maybe. And I know it's been a while since my last YouTube video.
Bruh.
This time, I'm not gonna say that I'm gonna keep it alive longer, but it can happen. So let's manifest this together right now. Are you doing it? Okay. Great. But hey, I'm back, and today's video is very exciting for me and for you too, because it's the first time I'm welcoming you into my art studio.
Wow!
So you can see my kingdom. And if you want to see more, we can also make like an art studio tour. I don't know. You want it? Okay, so let's do it. Maybe not in like 2 years, but next month. What do you think? Okay, great. And honestly, if you have any ideas for future videos, let me know, because I'm clearly not the best at picking what's viral, and I've been here for like 10 years and I still don't know how to do it. You're gonna need your grandma Kiki someday. You'll see. So maybe you should pick the next video and I'm gonna just do it. Great, great, you can be my boss. Anyway, today we're starting fresh with our review of Woomer Colored Pencils, and as someone who's not exactly like a colored pencil master, it should be fun. And before we jump in, huge thank you to Woomer for sending me these pencils. This video isn't sponsored, but they kindly gifted one set for me, so thank you, bye bye. Okay, not bye, because we're just started, so come here. Welcome back to my desk. As you can see, I'm trying my best to pretend I know how to do a professional unboxing. The package was wrapped really well. There's a beautiful illustration on the front, and I really hope it's not AI generated. On the back you can see all the colors included and the promises from the brand. We're going to test all of that today. The whole set looks very elegant and honestly would make a great gift. Inside we have 72 pencils on 2 layers, placed in plastic trays. The pencils themselves look really solid. Find the logo, color name, number and a light fastness rating. The set also includes a color chart, which I always appreciate when a brand remembers to add it. With pencils, I always try to make a gradient. Stronger pressure at the start and then fading it out. You can definitely feel the waxy formula. The colors are rich, saturated and honestly way better balanced than I expected. As you can see, the whole chart is now ready. The colors look great and the palette is really wide. I could definitely feel differences between them. Some were softer, others a bit harder. There are enough skin tones to actually draw people. And the greens are super pretty, which for some reason is rare. Now we're moving into tests. Smudging and erasing. Right away you can feel that dense, pigmented, waxy texture. Something that surprised me in a good way. You can actually add quite a few layers. You don't get that waxy buildup that blocks you from adding more, and previous layers don't smear around. Here I'm also testing break resistance. I'm pressing really hard. Only with extreme pressure I managed to break the tip, but it was just the very end, not the whole core. So big point for Woomer, the description matches reality. Now I'm moving on to exercise from my course. This worksheet is linked in the description, so you can have fun too. And I'm doing flat colors, gradients and blending. I made 2 gradients starting from the lightest color. There's a bit of dust, normal with soft pencils. Blending looks really nice thanks to the waxy formula. Now some quick sketches, because I absolutely love sketching with colored pencils. I wanted to see if I could build different values with just one pencil. After sharpening, it behaved almost like a graphite. I could make lighter and darker lines, and the tip stayed sharp for a long time. You can draw both tiny details and larger shapes with it. It works super well for sketching. This whole sketch was made with just one pencil called Orange, which you wouldn't have guessed, right? Now this cute frog from the worksheet. I wanted to check layering, blending and hatching worked great. And weirdly, even though I don't consider myself a colored pencil person, I actually enjoy working with these. I prefer soft pencils over hard ones. I like soft transitions, but also being able to create strong contrast and details. These pencils can do both, so they're very versatile. Now we're moving to the main illustration. I'm starting with this beautiful blue for the shadows. If you struggle with shading, start with shadows first. Then I choose the skin colors, pinks and beiges. At first I was afraid they'd be too dark, but they worked out really well. Blending is great. You can get really soft transitions, like on the cheeks or nose. After a few layers, the blending almost looks a bit digital. The colors mix together really well. I personally like pencil texture. I'm not a fan of overly smooth traditional art. I'm using red-purple to deepen the shadows. For the eyes, that gorgeous green that made me fall in love with the set. Blending on the eyes also works really nicely. Now we move to the clothes. I'm not a master of shading fabrics, but these pencils definitely help me create a nice texture. I use the white pencil to blend everything together again. Then oranges and reds for the details, and blue for shading the sweater. If you hold the pencil a bit further back, you can color larger areas without hurting your hand. On the sweater, the colors look amazing. You can build values both with blending and with hatching. For the hair, I'll start with yellow to brighten up, then add blue, navy and black. I work strand by strand. In my last poll, you wanted a blue-green illustration, so I added some green accents to the hair. Little leaf shapes, as if she just walked out of the forest. Here I'm showing you my hand because I was honestly shocked. Even after all those layers on the sweater, no graphite mess and no slippery surface. Huge plus for how clean these pencils are to work with. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Working with this pencil was genuinely enjoyable. You can see the waxy sheen on top, but that's normal for soft wax pencils and it doesn't bother me at all. Alright, if you made it all the way here, you deserve a cookie, or a new pencil, or both. Overall, are the Woomer Colored Pencils worth it? Yes, absolutely yes. Okay, so why do I like these pencils? Because they are sturdy. They don't break easily. The color pick is great, so you can draw anything from portraits to animals, plants, and so on. And they blend very nicely together, which is great for me because, yeah, pencils are a tough opponent for me, always. I'm getting bored pretty easily, and also my hand hurts when I need to do too many strokes. And yeah, I'm just a wuss. Also, the price is very nice and I like it. So yeah, thank you again Woomer for sending me these pencils, and I hope this review will be helpful if you may be searching for a new pencil set. If you want this channel to survive a bit longer than 1 week, please let me know what can I do, and maybe leave a like or subscribe. I don't know what young kids do these days because I'm old. I'll see you in the next video, hopefully sooner than 2 years from now. So have a nice day and bye bye! Oh wait, I should disappear like always.